Alright guys, we're going to get right into this. Okay, here's the containers. We're going to click this little selection here. It's going to open up the inventory for inside the box right here, which is really cool. So now we're just going to try it out. We're going to transfer some stuff in here. So let's go ahead, transfer some gear, so that way we can get ready for a mission or for whatever that we're planning for. Alright, so now that we loaded the box with all our gear, we're going to head down to the hangar and go see if we can retrieve the box. So super excited for this. Another beautiful morning here in New Babbage. Actually, no, it's an evening. This is beautiful sunset. Oh, look at that. Look at the colors. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Alright, so ooh, hold on, I want to try this out. So, oh yeah, we can grab it. Okay, and there we go. And press A. Done. All right, and can we move it around? Oh yeah, this is so cool. You get one of your buddies on here and just push them into the elevator. I wonder if they're going to actually make it so that way when you bring your person in, it automatically takes them to the hospital. All right, so this is going to be where I want to grab the box. So let's go ahead, activate the tablet. Let's go over to containers. Yeah, we're just going to do all containers. Right, and zero, what? Zero, what the heck? Okay, this is the bigger one. That's the 2 SUV. Where is it? Okay, I'm not getting this right now. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, we're just gonna do the first box and see what turns out. It's so weird. All right, so as it comes up, okay, here we go. Let's check the contents inside, and yes, it worked. Awesome. All right, cool. This is awesome. Super excited. Okay, this is gonna make planning out your missions and planning out your everyday in the persistent universe so much easier. All right, let's. Okay, right click on this. Right click, mouse, right click, and voila. Okay, there we go. All right, let's load this up into the ship, and then we're gonna head up to Port Tresler and put the box in there. So this is moving day, if you want to call it. All right, let's go ahead. Animations, I still can't get over this. Holy man. Alright, so let's grab the box and bring it inside. Alright, we are now entering Port Tresler. Doors are opening. Open sesame. Okay, so as we come for the landing, we're going to open up and store the box right here. Voila. Alright, so this seems to be another glitch that's happening with me. I'm not able to store any of my ships in my hangar. That's kind of annoying. Alright, let's go ahead, check the storage access panel, see if we can access the container. And where is the container? Okay, filters. Alright, okay, let's come back here. Alright, let's just double check to make sure. Yeah, the container's in here, it got stored. Okay, alright, back here again. For whatever reason, it's not picking up the container. This is annoying. Alright, so because I can't store my ship, I'm gonna have to kind of leave my ship on the outside, open up the doors like request landing, and then try to sneak into the hangar from space. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we're gonna open doors. Open sesame. Let's quickly get out of this ship and see if we can make our way into the hangar from space. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Land, and okay, cool. Alright, we're still floating. Ah, sweet, we made it. Right, this is good to know. At the same time, this is probably another way how you can infiltrate someone else's hangar. Wait, what's in this box? Nothing. We can't access it. Okay, whatever. Never mind. All right, so there we go. So I think that's going to be it. Alright, so I think that's going to be it for the video. Hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did, why don't you go ahead, give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell after you subscribe. Yeah, that's right. Subscribe for our channel. It's free. Not too many things is free in this world. Also, why don't you go ahead and leave a comment down in the description below what you think of the game. If you actually play the game, which I'm curious, I want to know how many people actually play this game. And any ideas what you have that you may think would improve the gameplay, other than for continuing to make sure that the bugs are squashed. But I'm talking about like features in the game that you would like to see. So I remember that we talked about having something like this that we just saw today, being able to organize boxes and backpacks within the actual tablet itself, and looks like it worked out. So I don't think I was the only one that mentioned this option. But yeah, so super happy to see that CIG added this, and yeah, until the next time, who knows, maybe we'll see you in the verse.